Demand isn't high enough here. You're offline because there's not enough demand. Throws you offline. I love it. Leave in the comments what you think about this this new thing from UberEats where they throw you offline because there's not enough demand. They just throw you offline now. Sometimes those little orders that come in when it's not that busy, those are the orders that help you a lot sometimes. You can't take those orders anymore now. You have to reserve times. So demand isn't high enough. So they throw you offline. You're missing orders that you might have gotten had you been online. You know, there's sometimes those little orders that come in when it's not that busy. Those are the orders that help you out. Someone pops in like a $5 order or something like that, and you drive there and you get paid for it, and it helps you out a little bit, you know. So that one person might pop in with like a $10 order, just, you know, go pick that one up. You help, you know, all of a sudden you made $15-20 or maybe more because, you know, we get paid to drive there now in New York. So you know, you get paid for time spent in the car driving. From the time you accept to the time you deliver, you know. Leave in the comments what you guys think of all this crap.